What we have here is the function f of x is x plus 2. Now, can anybody describe okay, so first thing we're doing is this is a function that means whatever your input is, add on what? 2. This x part here is your input, and whatever your input is, add on 2. So f of 3 means what, Charlie? X is what number?
3.
3. Because f of x is x plus 2. This number here represents your input. So when you replace your input with 3, you're going to get 3 plus 2, and that's going to get you 5. Is everybody happy with that? We'll do this one here. What's f of 1, guys? f of 1? f of 1, Barry. What's f of 1?
1.
Replace.
Oh, replace x with 1.
So 1 plus 2, and it therefore equals? 3. What's f of minus 3, Noah?
Replace x with 3 minus 3.
And then what do you get when you add minus 3 plus 2?
1.
Minus 1. Question specifically asks you to get f of 1 and f of minus 3 and do what to them? What's in between the f of 1 and f of minus 3? What sign?
Plus.
There's a plus sign there, isn't there?
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is you're going to get the answer to f of 1 is 3, and the answer to f of minus 3 is minus 1. What's 3 plus minus 1? Or 3 minus 1? 2. So the answer is 2. Now are we happy with that? Aaron, the next one. How'd you do the next one, Aaron? 2 f of 4.
You replace the x with 4.
So replace x with 4 and get what f of 4 is. What's f of 4 then?
Just x. If x is 4, so it's 4 plus 2.
And what do you get? 6. And then divide the answer by
2, we get 12.
2 f of 4 therefore equals 12. Handy enough, right? Now 11. You'd like me to have a look at the verify question, is it? Okay, they're asking me to look at the verify question. Verify means check that f of 3 equals f of minus 3. So here's what we do. F of x is 2x squared plus 5. Therefore, guys, what does f of 3 be? What will f of 3 be? Aaron?
2 bracket 3 squared plus 5.
Plus 5.
Which would end up being 9 multiplied by 2.
2 multiplied by 9 plus 5, yeah?
It's 18 plus 5, which is 20 here.
True. Now what about f of minus 3? What's Shane?
Replace 2 bracket minus 3 squared.
Minus 3 squared, yeah?
Plus
And what's minus 3 squared?
minus 9.
Plus 9.
Plus
Because minus 3 over minus 3?
plus
You can always put it all in the calculator, can't you? You're going to get 18 plus 5, which equals 23. Therefore, this here means 23 equals 23. Are they equal? Yes, they are. Okay. So let's do a bit 13, okay? Now, we'll do 13 part 3 and 13 part 4. Now, 13 part 3 is f of x equals x squared plus 2x. Okay, Kenny, what about f of minus 1? What do you do? Replace x with? So what do we get then?
Minus 1 squared.
Yeah.
2 1.
Put that into your calculator and what do you get?
Minus 2.
Minus 1. minus 1. Okay. The next one we're doing is f of minus 3. What about f of minus 3? Well, no way.
Equals.
Replace x with minus 3.
Yeah.
See the way there was an x here, and now it's a minus 3?
Yeah.
Anywhere you see x in this formula here, replace it with minus 3.
Alright, so minus bracket minus 3 squared
Yeah.
plus 2x. I'm on plus minus 3.
2 times minus 3. Put it into the calculator, what do you think you get? You're going to get 3. Okay? Yeah, just put this into your calculator now.
Okay.
The first one's 9, the second one's minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Yep.
Yeah, I didn't do the calculator, obviously, but I just did a line underneath it, doing 9 minus 6 and...
Yeah. 9 minus 6 equals 3. No better. Okay, no, that's good. I won't complain about that, that's very good. Just make sure you don't make a silly mistake with the 2 minuses. That's the only thing I'd say. We have a tendency to forget that 2 minuses is a plus, and so just check using the calculator if you're doing it the long way. Now, the last one. Can anybody tell me the difference between this one and this? I'm going to write down 2 things on the board that look the same, but they're completely different. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between the 2 of these? Ryan.
F and then bracket x equals to 8.
Yeah.
Is that you don't know what x is.
You don't know what the input is.
Yeah.
Thank you. This f of 1 means your input is 1. F of 2 means your input is 2. F of x stands for the output. This question means if the output is 8, what's the input? This question here means if the input is 8, what's the output? So an example would be for f of 8 you replace x with 8 and you get 64 plus 16 and you get 80. Okay, no bother. This one here, however, is the first time you've seen this question. It's generally an honours level question, right? You'll see it in 5th year ordinary level, but I don't think you'll see it at junior cert level, right? Anyways, just to indulge your curiosity, f of x equals what, guys? Equals x squared plus 2x. Bring the 8 over to your side. And do you remember the reference number? Remember what you did for your Christmas test?
Minus 8 is the...
Reference number is minus 8. What 2 numbers multiply to give you minus 8? But yet when you add them, they give you plus 2.
4 and 2.
Plus 4 minus 2. X plus 4. X minus 2 equals 0. Then what? X equals 2. X equals minus 4. Okay, that's